By now, you must have heard or read about how AI-powered bots are coming for millions of jobs. Companies are already using AI technologies to assist and sometimes even replace humans. It is fascinating to see how this development will shape our future. Here are 5 jobs which will disappear by 2033. 1. The cashier will be replaced by self-checkouts. There are already lots of grocery stores which have self-checkout. In near future, this will be the norm and human labors won't be necessary anymore. The only things that has to change is that we need more security to keep an eye on the customers. 2. The truck drivers will be replaced by self-driving trucks. Artificial intelligence will soon be advanced enough to replace truck drivers. One of the main issues to solve our ethical problems, like the troller dilemma. Would you kill 5 people to save 1, or save 5 to kill 1, in a question that requires this decision? Basically, most monotonous jobs will be gone within a couple of decades. Disruption is natural and can't be avoided. 3. Warehouse workers will be replaced by automated robots. There are already a huge warehouse in China which don't require average employees anymore. The robot transports the goods from A to B drive to their charging stations. Whenever they run out of battery and a replacement, until it jumps in to fuel the whole fully automated. Human labor in warehouse be gone very soon. 4. Cab drivers will be replaced by autonomous cars. Already have to fight with Uber and Taxify, but long term, they will be hit with the same problem as the truck drivers. Once this innovation is ready, millions of jobs will be affected. Companies like Tesla and Hyundai are already in the race. Soon, Apple will be launching its first self-driving car in the market, and then world will be changed forever. 5. Travel agents will be replaced by website bookings. Let's be honest, when was the last time you visited a local travel agency to book your trip? This business is already dead. The only people who still book their vacation at the local travel agency are your grandparents. It's the precious generation. Travel agencies will be gone very soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and follow us on our social media handle, including our YouTube channel. For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events, and interviews across business, tech innovation, and lifestyle, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.